The error code 0x8007370b stands for Error SXS Invalid Identity Attribute Name, which means Windows Update encountered an invalid or corrupted system identity or manifest file during the update process. In simple terms, it indicates that Windows is trying to install an update, but some critical system files or components are either corrupted, misconfigured, or missing. Here are the solutions. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scanl. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. Solution 3. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Solution 2. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it's finished, close the window and restart your PC. Solution 4. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu. Type Notepad. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the text that you will find in the description of this video into Notepad. Click on File. Click on Save As. In file name type, fix.bat. In Save As type, select All Files. Press Save. Right-click Fix.bat and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type Y and then press Enter. Type Y and then press Enter. Wait for Windows Update to be repaired. Restart Windows, and then run Windows Update. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Locate Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click on Download Now. Double-click the media installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition, and then press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Select your download folder. Name the file Windows 11. Press Save. Wait for Windows 11 to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 file. Double-click Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Wait for Windows to update. This might take a while. Press Accept. Select to keep your personal files. Press Install. Wait for Windows 11 to be upgraded to the latest